find it's important to work for a company where I can say, with a good conscience, that our business makes a contribution to changing the world for the better. Verbio, for me, is a global company, which is very capable of transformation because of its flat hierarchies, its short decision-making processes, and its company philosophy. Here at this plant, we manufacture biodiesel, which is primarily used in the fuel market as an additive for mixing with normal diesel. We produce biofuels, bioethanol and biogas. We also produce high-value byproducts such as glycerin and sterols, which have been launched on the market recently. Sterols are fat-accompanying substances in vegetable oils that can be used as hormone compounds, to make contraceptive pills, for example, but they can also be used to reduce cholesterol levels. I'm the operating engineer here for biodiesel and glycerin production, and I'm also responsible for the projects implemented in this area. I'm responsible for making the plant a little better every day and optimizing how it runs. Optimization starts with ensuring that the plant as a whole is balanced. We look at how much energy we need to operate, where potential savings exist. Maybe we can save on wastewater or on cooling water. What I like most about all of my work is the diversity. An operating engineer is an engineer who works with many different departments, for example, disposition, laboratory and production departments, as well as with research and development. It means looking at how the production is running and how I can improve it. Before this, I worked for 4 years in an engineering office, which was more on the theoretical side. What I missed most of all was practical application. I don't just sit in an office and look after my Excel tables. I'm often in the plant, talking to other employees, for example, about what problems there are, how we can support them in finding solutions, what we can improve. For the biodiesel production, we need to order additives and consumables, acids and alkalines. This is part of my job. I make sure that the tanks are not too full and not too empty. Here at the plant, there is a familiarization plan. We look at how the plant is operated, how economic it all is, and how it's been developed historically. Familiarization includes 2 weeks of work experience in production and 1 week of work experience in the laboratory, in order to get to know the personnel, the processes, and how they combine. I've seen how little flexibility there is sometimes in big chemical companies. Here at Verbio, we have small teams. We're quick and effective. Communication is easy due to flat hierarchies. I go up to the director, I go down to the head of production, I tell them my issues, and then these are usually dealt with. It's simple and uncomplicated. Verbio is not only about biofuel, but also about technology. Behind this is a research department that develops processes, and an internal planning office in Leipzig, which then transfers the processes developed by the R&D to large-scale operations. Therefore, power units and their switchgear are ordered especially for us, exactly as we need them in order to manufacture certain products. This differentiates Verbio, certainly, from other biofuel manufacturers.
I did my bachelor's in civil engineering in India, and after my bachelor's, I thought maybe I just want to increase my abilities, and then I chose Germany. I am basically responsible for the construction of biogas plants in India. From planning till the execution, in every phase I'm personally involved. For basic engineering, I have to do some basic plans. Pre-planning to the execution, I'm responsible for every step. And the second part is static calculations. I have to also see the structure is stable and can be long-lasting. And the third part is quality. Quality is one of the biggest tasks. For quality, we have made some field quality assurance plans, and we have to execute them.
When something is broken or a plant is down, we need to react quickly and find a solution to get it up and running again. That's one of my daily challenges. The others are long-term projects where there's more time to ask questions about the processes and to think more about the possibilities for optimization. There's a total freedom here. There's nothing that you can't question or look at from a different angle. Your ideas, however, must be well-founded and considered. They have to be presented to a larger group and discussed. And ultimately, a decision is made about whether an idea will be taken up or not. Of course, there are also ideas that are not implemented. Despite this, one still makes a contribution to the plan, and the company as a whole taking it forward. Realizing your own objectives, too, this is key, especially if you're interested in climate protection and the environment and want to make a difference. It's something everyone should think about. Maybe one day, as we look at the next generation, everyone should ask, will we still drive cars? Will they be powered by biodiesel or by fossil diesel? Will there be diesel at all? In any case, Verbio is well prepared for these questions about our future. To work at Verbio and aim for success, it's necessary to have a healthy amount of initiative, to work hard and be committed. Commitment goes a long way here. It motivates us to move ahead quicker, and certainly more than by just sitting in an office and waiting. You have to have drive here, and if you want to, you can go far.